Hello, welcome back. So today we are gonna do an unboxing of a Webasto Airtop ST2000 STC 2000, and it's a 24-volt heater. So let's see what's in the box. I'm also curious. I repaired one of these units, or maybe two, a very long time ago at my previous job. So I never got a new unit like this to see what exactly is inside the box. So let's open it and see. This is the heater's box, and we also have a box probably containing the kit. So let's see what's here. We have a very thick printed manual and also a warranty card and so on. We have the serial number stickers, I think, which are the duplicates to the original. Yeah, it's surprising to see this manual from the Webasto side. Usually nowadays everybody includes a CD or something like that, but they still chose to put these manuals in the box, and I seen from experience a lot of times these end up just thrown away somewhere in the workshop and never make it to the customer for some reason. Okay, so we can see we have here the heater and the fuel pump and something else there. So let's take it out. Just a minute, I will put the box away. Oh, another sticker. I think probably this is the duplicate one. Yeah, factory label duplicate. Yeah, so the other ones, I'm not sure exactly where they need to be placed. So the heater is held down by this foil. We will cut it and take the heater out. Yes, this should be enough to remove the heater. So we have the heater here. Everything looks to be fine. Yeah, at very first look there are very thick fins here, fins that do the heat transfer. I know Webasto doesn't have them so thick, if I remember correctly. We will do some comparison videos after this. We have the, I think this is the pump cable, and it's very surprising to see it coming out from the combustion air intake port. Yeah, but this is a known and proved design to work, so I don't think it's a problem. Yeah, we have this cap where I think the cable should come. I don't know how to open it yet. Maybe I need to take down this. Yeah, could be. Okay, so this is the heater. It looks nice, premium quality, as we would expect from Webasto. Oh yes, we have here the gasket for the heater and also a grill, most likely for the intake port. And we have the fuel pump, also a damper which Webasto uses. I think it's for dampening the pump's sound probably, and also regulate maybe the fuel flow. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not familiar with this one. I know it's also available at Webasto, something like this, but we never use it. Nobody said we need it. So let's take a look at the box. So here we have only the heater and the pump. similar to Webasto Airtop's approach. Yeah. We will put everything back in the box. We will test these heaters when we will get to it, and also do some comparisons between different heater types. We also have a planar, and I'm also expecting a Chinese heater in these days, just to see what everybody's doing on the market. Now I know this heater has been out for a while, so I don't think it's really new technology, except from what it was a few years ago. We can see that the control panel, control element is a simple one, a simple rheostat, so nothing fancy here. Yeah, we have the exhaust pipe, really thick, good quality, no surprises here. Yeah, we have another manual again with some kind of warranty and so on. Yeah, so we have the simple one. There is, I think, a timer also available, where we don't have it now. Also the alarm codes. Yeah. Okay, let's move on. We have a connector here, which is, I don't know for what, probably for the DP. This is the fuel pump. It's for the fuel pump. We have the intake hose. This is also made of aluminum, I see. Okay, probably it will last a little bit longer than the Webasto Airtop one, which is a combination of aluminum and paper and so on. This is the connection to the fuel, but what is this blue screw here? This doesn't really look like it's from the heater. Maybe it's just misplaced here. Who knows? Well, anyway, this is the kit for the pump, and I believe this clamp will hold the pump. Also a lot of fuel line rubbers with different diameters, so you can supply the pump. And also we have this T-piece connection for the place where you can supply the heater from the return line of the car, but in 24 volts. The return line from the truck is, I think, a little bit different, and I don't think you need to do it. You can do it easily on the fuel tank. Anyway, let's move on. A clamp for the exhaust, and probably this one. Oh, this is just for the exhaust. Okay, we have here the clamps for the intake and also a silencer, which is a good thing. It's silencer and filter probably together. And the problem is that on our roads, which are very dusty and dirty, these don't last very long because they get filled up. Nobody puts in the money to change these filters. Maybe there is an element inside, I'm not sure. So these get removed after a while. Yeah, we have the ties, plastic ties, fuel pump, and this is interesting, the black fuel pump, fuel lines, because contrary to Webasto Airtop, the problem is most of the time for making diagnostics when you have a fuel problem or air leaks or something like that, it's much better to see what's inside the fuel line when you are testing. So you cannot see anything through here. A transparent tube will help you to see if you have air bubbles and so on, if the fuel is moving and things like that. So you cannot do it in this, and actually it was a discussion sometime at Webasto to introduce these black pipes, and nobody from the technicians agreed because everybody said we want to see the fuel moving in the fuel line. Okay, so we have another part of the harness. I'm not sure this is for the fuel pump or for the controller. I cannot say this for sure at this time. And also we have the main cable harness, the fuse holders, and that's pretty much it. Nothing else. Oh, we have something else here. Yeah, but it's just some screws, probably to hold the what? It's not here. So we don't have an exhaust muffler. And this is surprising. Even the cheap Chinese heaters comes with an exhaust muffler. But this is what you get. Probably there are some other kits which are more rich in content, but this one doesn't have the exhaust muffler. We don't have any hot air pipes. It says standard, so probably this is what you get in standard. I'm really surprised there is no muffler in this kit. Okay guys, so this was the unboxing. This is what the basic kit contains. I will just show you the part number. I think this is the same for 12 and 24 volts. Yeah, and this is it. This is what you get with this part number. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos with testing these heaters and comparing them one to each other. Okay guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.